Ever wondered if diving into the world of machine learning and AI is the right move for you? Picture this. You're at a crossroads, considering a career in AI engineering. Well, my friend, hold that thought, because today we're unraveling the intricacies of being an ML AI engineer. Before we get into the nitty-gritty, let me throw a question your way. Are you ready for the thrill, the challenges, and the realities? Well, buckle up because we're about to explore whether you should be an ML AI engineer or not. And hey, if you're new here or you've been with us for a while now, welcome back to AI Accessible, where we break down the mysteries of artificial intelligence for everyone. Now, let's tackle the big question. Why is AI engineering considered so challenging? It's like entering a complex puzzle where the pieces are in constant flux. Have you ever tried reading those dense research papers? It's almost like a secret code, right? Well, don't worry, you're not alone. Many find it challenging, and that's just the beginning. Andrew Ng, a big name in AI, suggests that the best way to become a top-notch AI engineer is by indulging in tons of research papers. Now, if you're in a bachelor's program, chances are these papers seem like they're written in a different language. But here's the catch. You'll be competing for the same job with those who find these papers enjoyable. It's not just about coding, it's about embracing the language of AI. Reading research papers in a bachelor's program might sound intimidating at first, and that's absolutely normal. It's like being thrown into the deep end of the pool, but don't worry, everyone starts there. The real challenge lies in persistently reading these papers until they start making sense. It's not to scare you off, it's a reality check. The competition is no joke, and reading those papers is your ticket to staying in the game. Now that you've got a glimpse of this intricate world, buckle up for our next point, where we explore the intense competition awaiting aspiring AI engineers. Ready for the challenge? Tech, by nature, is competitive, but when you add the allure of AI, it becomes a super challenge. Every new and shiny thing comes with excitement, and AI is no exception. It's like entering a tournament where everyone wants a piece of the prize. History tells us tales of the Wild West and the gold rush. Some struck gold, but many paid the price. The promise of hitting big in AI is real, but let's be honest, not everyone will make it. Think of it as a modern-day gold rush. Sure, there are success stories, but many will face tough competition. It's not just about AI or machine learning, it's a pattern in history. Whenever there's a pot of gold, people want their share. This means diving into AI requires a mindset ready for intense competition. Are you up for the challenge? Now, if you're finding this information exciting and valuable, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. You don't want to miss out on future insights about what AI has to offer. Now, let's address the toll this journey can take. Burnout. You see, high-paying jobs often come at a cost, not just in software engineering, but in many fields. It's a reality check. You can't have it all. So the question becomes, what's your priority? Big pay or a balanced work life? In the world of AI engineering, achieving financial stability often demands hard work. You can't escape the fact that well-paying jobs require dedication. Picture this. The drama with Sam Altman and OpenAI. Fired, fought back, ousted boards. It's almost like real-life Squid Games. The news changes rapidly, and the work-life balance might not be a priority in such scenarios. Consider the high stakes. It's not just about software engineering. It applies to most well-paying jobs. Sam Altman's journey reflects the sacrifices for success. The drama and quick changes highlight the pace of this field. If you aim for the top, be prepared for the sacrifices that come with it. Burnout is not just a buzzword, it's a potential reality in the fast-paced world of AI. So, here's the reality. High-paying AI jobs demand hard work, and often, the work-life balance is compromised. It's not unique to AI, but a common challenge in demanding careers. Now, buckle up, because the AI universe is all about constant evolution. Yes, rapid changes are the norm, and we're diving into the dynamics of this ever-evolving field in the next point. Now let's delve into the dynamic nature of the AI universe. Rapid changes. Imagine playing a dynamic game where strategies with the company or the tech are in constant flux. Winning here isn't just about skills, it's about your ability to adapt quickly to a new environment. The AI universe is like an ever-changing dance of updates and innovations. It demands not just technical expertise, but a mindset that thrives in a shifting landscape. Think about how competitive sports require adaptability. The same applies to AI engineering. The technology, inner workings of companies, and even leadership. It's all dynamic. If you're excited about the idea of changing and shifting strategies daily, then this could be the perfect fit for you. Next up, let's talk about the lack of junior roles in AI engineering. Are you ready to navigate the challenges of landing that crucial entry-level position? Picture this. You're eager to step into the AI world, especially at the junior level, but landing that entry-level position isn't a walk in the park. Are you ready to explore why breaking into AI engineering, especially as a junior, is no easy feat? Consider the traditional path, attending a school with a structured internship program, like Waterloo, offering 2 years of work experience before graduation. But what if you're on your own, hustling for internships without such a luxury? Even with experience, landing a job in tech or AI is tough due to high demand and limited roles. It's a competitive marketplace where junior positions are scarce, and experienced individuals also compete. Success stories exist, but the journey is challenging. AI engineering is a challenging roller coaster that requires resilience. If you navigate through the difficulties, the rewards are extraordinary, making you part of shaping the future. Do you still feel drawn to AI engineering after hearing this? Share your thoughts in the comments, and let's keep the conversation rolling. Like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content as we unravel the mysteries of the AI world. Stay tuned for the exciting revelations ahead, where we contemplate the possibilities of AI only here on AI Accessible, where we break down the mysteries of artificial intelligence for everyone.